Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Teagan from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a line across. And then a large U-shaped curve underneath. Now from the top corners, let's curve it up and out. And then add 4 bumps across on top. Next, we're going to hop inside and draw the face. We'll start with 2 large ovals for the eyes. And now inside each eye, let's draw a curve across. And then a curve underneath towards the left side. And color both of these in black. Next, let's add some eyelashes. On the top, let's draw a curve out on both sides. And then 2 small angles underneath each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a curve underneath. And then a bump up in the center. And color this in black. Now that we're done the face, lastly, for the head, let's add the handle. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve out and bring it back in underneath like this. And then another curve inside in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 angles down and a wavy line across at the bottom. Now underneath in the center, let's draw a V-shaped point down and then a set of angles on the sides. Now to continue drawing the dress, let's bring both sides down and angle it out. And then a wavy line at the bottom like this. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start by drawing the right hand. Underneath on the right, let's draw a small curve. And then a larger one next to it. Now from the top, let's curve it down, angle it back in, and curve it up, stopping here. And then underneath the hand, a curve down. Now to finish off the right side here, let's draw the shawl. Underneath the hand, let's draw a wavy line down, and then curve it back up and in underneath. And that's it for the right side. Now let's hop over to the left. For the left arm, let's start with 2 angles down and out. And then on top of the arm, let's draw a curve out and a long U-shaped curve down and back up for the shawl. And then one more curve back into the body under the arm here. Now let's hop to the end and add the hand. Let's start with a small line out and then angle it down. Now underneath, let's curve it back in and then one more small bump for the thumb. And that's it for the arms and hands. Lastly, let's move to the bottom and add the feet. Let's start with a line down in the center. And 2 small angles out on the sides. and curve it back in at the bottom for each foot. And that's it for Teagan. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!